So Nifty Pharma sector has fell down from 23,614 to 20,811. Okay, so as you guys can see here, from January 3rd, 2025, the Nifty Pharma has been continuously falling. So if you see here, from the top highest point to the new lowest point what it has made, so the Nifty Pharma has given a fall of 12% in total. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about Nifty Pharma. So what's next for Nifty Pharma, and what are the important levels we have for Nifty Pharma, and why the Nifty Pharma is bearish. Okay, so please note this video is only for educational purpose, and we'll discuss a lot of things in this video for educational purpose. So watch the video till the end to get all the information. So hi guys, my name is Darshan. I'm trading from last 7 years plus, and I'll be sharing you a lot of educational content in my channel. So kindly do subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time. Okay, so this is how the Nifty Pharma has fallen. So it has started falling from January 3rd of 2025. From there you can see continuously it has been falling. Okay, so if you guys can see here, on 28th of January, it has uh, taken a support somewhere close to 20,689, and from there it has gone up till 22,174, and again 22,174 has acted as a resistance level, and from here again it has come down and touched the lowest point of 20,661. So this is how the Nifty Pharma has performed. Okay, and also if we go back in the time frame of the chart and see, we can see here somewhere around 20,277 is the next support level what we have for Nifty Pharma. 20,277 is the next key support level where we have for Nifty Pharma. Okay, so please note whatever I'm telling in this video is only for educational purpose, and this is not any trading or investment advice. Okay, so now let's look at Nifty 50 and Nifty Pharma chart and see how Nifty has performed and how Pharma has performed in this 1 to 2 months gap. Okay, so if you guys can see here, if we quickly measure how the Nifty has performed from January to February 16, like the date what I'm making the video, the Nifty 50 has fallen by almost 6%, while the Pharma has fallen the double, that is 12%. Okay, so why this big fall? So now I'll tell you what are the reasons why the Nifty Pharma has fallen like this. So there are two reasons. So one is the recent reason, which is from the US, and Donald Trump has given a reciprocal tariff. So that's that. So that is a very recent news. Okay, so which is coming from last couple of days, but I'll explain you why it is falling from January month itself, that is from the last month itself. That is because of weaker Q3 result from major companies in pharma. Okay, so major company in Q3 result, they have shown a declining result, and their result has been lesser than the expected. So that's the reason why the pharma sector started falling from January itself. And before the fall, most of the stocks in this sector were overvalued. Okay, so the stocks were overvalued, and also when the crash started happening, so most of the stocks have fallen a lot. So this is the reason why Nifty Pharma started falling in the month of January itself. So guys, now let's talk about the reason why there is a recent fall in Nifty Pharma sector from the last couple of days. Okay, so recent announcement by US President Donald Trump about reciprocal tariff, which puts higher tariff for importing Indian medicines to the US. So this is one of the reason why the pharma sector has started falling, because Donald Trump has introduced a reciprocal tariff, and by this method there is a higher tariff of export charges which is implemented for Indian medicine. Okay, the pharmaceutical sector is significant contributor to India's export, so this will affect the proposed tariff. increased export costs. So this is what I was talking about. The export costs are increased. So this tariff change will make export cost more to the Indian pharmaceutical firms, and profit margins will be reduced. So if the export costs are higher, then the profit margins will be reduced for the Indian pharma companies. So what are the other downside we have? So higher tariff may take away the competition of Indian medicines in the US and affecting the market share of the companies. So when there is traffic, when there is higher tariff prices, the competitions of Indian medicines in the US will get reduced because US might get the medicine from different other countries which they can find it for the lesser price, and by this the Indian pharma companies might be affected. And change of supply chain. So companies might change their supply chain to reduce the tariff impact. So yes, so if US can find any other supply chain or any other country to get the medicines for lesser price, then they will get it from that company. So how is pharma company preparing for this? While specific details of the proposed tariff remain unclear, so the Indian pharma industry is closely monitoring the developments what's happening. Okay, so companies are planning the steps to overcome this challenge and including finding the alternative market and cost of optimization measure. The situation makes the importance of diversification in global trade operation. So these are the latest update and news what we have from the pharma sector, and this is about the Nifty Pharma update. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys have liked this video, do give a like for this video and do subscribe to my channel for a lot of educational content and updates like this.